Hi everyone, what I thought we'd have a quick look at is packaging your work in InDesign. Now normally we used to just go File and Save when we tried to save our InDesign work, and that's absolutely fine if we've got separate folders with all of our images and things like that in. But if we tried to send that InDesign file to someone else for them to open, they would only be able to see a small part of it, usually just the text areas, and all of the images which are stored separately from that InDesign file and just linked together would be missing. So this is where packaging comes in, and it's very simple to do, and I'm just going to talk you through that now. So all we're going to do is just go File at the top of the screen, and instead of Save or Save As or Export as PDF, we're just going to go down to Package. It's telling me that I've got 13 links that are 13 links, and it's saying that a 0 are missing or inaccessible. So that's absolutely fine. Sometimes it will tell you that you've got links missing. If it's just 1 or 2, often it's okay. But what that means is you've just moved an image from a folder where you've been storing your InDesign images. Obviously, if you delete them, InDesign can't then use them to generate a preview, or certainly when you go to export it as a PDF, they will be missing those images. So it's important to keep your folder where it is, but by packaging it's going to pack everything together in a new version. So don't worry, you're not going to save over the top of what you've done. So just go to Package and click Save. I'm then going to just select my desktop, because that's where I want it, and I'm going to call it Packaging. That'll do. And click Package and just click OK. So if I now go to my desktop, I should be able to find a folder, and here is that folder there called Packaging. Inside the folder, just go to a list, you can see I've got 2 different types of InDesign document. I've got a PDF that it's created, and I've also got my document links. So all of the images that I have included within my project, it's created into a separate folder like so. So this is the easiest way for us now to back up our work. So all I'm going to do, I'm on Mac, I'm just going to double click and just go to Compress. So it should create a little duplicate of it, found there, a little zip file, which I can now attach to an email to send to myself, upload to cloud storage, or put into Teams to put it somewhere safe so that you don't lose it. I hope this has been useful. Good luck.